What's going on YouTube? It's your boy West Too Slow. Welcome to the Mega Fan Boys. Today, you got a few things you gotta do, you feel me?
Boy, if you don't...
One, the wheels are getting done right now. Let me go ahead and show y'all boys what's going on, you feel me? He don't really want to be on camera. I told him I could help him, but he was like, he don't want to be recorded, you feel me? So, he don't want me to like help him because it's gonna slow time. Y'all boys can see. I feel me? Damn, this mug got no type of zoom.
Bruh.
Y'all boys can see right there. Yeah. Wheels getting black. Wheels getting painted black, bruh. This is the brakes. My wheels are getting gloss black color. After that, we gonna go. I gotta get my brakes done. My brakes have been screechy as hell, so we gotta go and get my brake pads replaced. I also got something very special for y'all boys, man. I'm about to start a giveaway real soon. I'm about to do a giveaway, so I think I would probably do like a Visa. Like, it might be like a $20, $25 Visa gift card. You feel me? Like a nice little gift card for y'all boys. And then whoever like it's gonna be random. Like as long as you subscribe and you comment, I might do it on Instagram because I know you can't really. I don't know how I choose a winner off YouTube. I don't know. I'll figure it out. But I will be doing a gift card giveaway. You feel me, for y'all boys. So if y'all want to be in that, make sure y'all subscribe and then like leave a comment. Maybe comment like y'all Instagram or something. It would be like comment Instagram, and then I'll pick a random person, and then I'll DM you on Instagram, and then give you the gift card. That's how we gonna do it. That's how we gonna do it. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm showing y'all before, you know what I'm saying. The wheels getting painted right now. I'm gonna show y'all after when the wheels are done. And they all black. I'm gonna go out there and show y'all, and then we gon' where should we go next? I know I got our brake pads. Yeah, we'll figure it out. You feel me? Catch y'all boys. Yeah. All right, y'all boys. So I showed y'all that before when it was getting worked on. It's time for the grand reveal. You feel me? Hold on. Hope y'all boys ready to see this shit. This shit looks so fire, dude. Look at this. All black now. All black down, bro. Look at that. Tail lights, of course. Come on, man.
Nice.
Wheels. Brand new glossy black, man. Oh my god. Told y'all, bro. Work in progress, you feel me? Like I said, best. Oh, it's hot as hell. Best CT coupe in America, bro. So we just got that done, you feel me? Like I said. Blacked out motherfucker on that, those some D's on that bit. Sorry. But right now, we finna go get the surprise for y'all. We finna get the gift for y'all. Yes, I said that right, for y'all, man. We are on the way. I'm about to go get y'all a gift. Hope y'all ready. Stay tuned. Everybody, we just got to the spot. Yo, that's a Maybach. Y'all see that? That's a Maybeezy right there. Hold on. Y'all see that Maybeezy? Oh, damn. Niggas really getting money? I must be popped. Alright, y'all, we just got to the spot. So we finna get the Glock. Oh. I hope they let me record here. Stop being, don't be a Karen. They should right down. Probably a whole bunch of old niggas in this bit. Hope they got what I'm looking for. Yeah, I'm really kind of thirsty. I might get a little bad, you feel me? A little bad or something, you know what I'm saying? Tight shit. Alright, boy, so. First things first, we need to find the gift cards in this bit. How are you? What y'all think? Low key, they might be in the front, right? Nah, they not up here. Where would they be at? I'm on front.
What is that?
Yeah, I hope they did. They might not got what I'm looking for. You get some toys there. I got blades. Oh, bro, she could have blade. Grow up. There's no way they'll have a gift. Oh, Daddy, I found him. Yes, Daddy. Oh wait, what the fuck? Is there a spin? All right. I got the one I'm looking for right there. Let's see. Bro. Where's all the good stuff at, dude? How'd you get like a... Nah. Use the iPhone. You gotta use that freaking Google Play. I guess this one will be good, right? 2,500. Nah. I mean, I could get one of these. Let me see if they can get ones. Oh, that's how you already got. Damn. Let me see. Oh, God, it is good. Alright. What's the regular Visa ones? Damn, low key. Might be cooked. Ooh, and our burger, that'd be fire. Let's go over here. Here we go. Yeah. It's kind of like, wait. Yeah. Alright. Can you use it on anything? Microsoft, MasterCard gift card. I'm sure I got the right one. So this could be used for anything, right? Oh my God, I probably leaked it. Jeez.
Come on, she's with you. Stay with her.
Yeah, this is good, right? What do I do, Visa? Oh, this is Visa. Really, nigga? Alright, here we go, chat. Alright. Alright, boys, so giveaway starts now. Giveaway starts now. Repeat, giveaway starts now for y'all boys, you feel me? Giveaway starts now. Okay.
Welcome. If you have your extra care card, please scan it now.
Never send gift card funds to Sharon. Alright. You might not use CVS gift money card.
Hello, how you doing? Good.
Alright, bet.
Need to check on the status of some photos I dropped off a while back. Sure. What's your last name? Last name is Hall.
It's an activation fee? Oh, hell no.
Sean.
Oh, yeah, boys, I'm finna pay for this and then, yeah.
6.5 hours later.
Yeah, boys, we just got back in the whip. Focus, daddy, come on. Hey, man. Giveaway starts now. This is not for me, this is for y'all right here. So, I'm about to break down everything, how this gonna work and how we gonna do it for y'all boys. Step number 1. Subscribe. Boom. Easy. Light work. To win, all you gotta do is be subscribed. Well, that's all you gotta do. But step 1, to win, you gotta be subscribed. So make sure y'all subscribe right now. West Too Slow. We dropping bangers all year, you feel me, for y'all boys forever. So, you gotta subscribe. Step 2. Twerk. Step 2. So, I think I'm gonna do it via Instagram. So, cause I don't know how you can really, I can't message y'all on YouTube type shit. So like, so after you subscribe, you know what I'm saying, like the video, you know what I'm saying, that yes optional, you don't got to if you don't want to, shit, fuck you. No, but yeah, subscribe and then comment your Instagram. Comment on Instagram bio, yeah, retard. Comment your Instagram name in the comments on YouTube, on this video. Every video I post, this giveaway probably run until about next week. About probably the end of next week, I'll pick a winner. Or like, yeah, whatever. Soon, Cardi. You feel me? We gonna pick a winner. Hey, Shawty. But yeah. Basically, after you subscribe, you go to the comments, be like, say something. Like, don't just put your Instagram. Like, say something. Be like, yo, W video, or like, give me something to do or something. I don't know. Like, comment something real and then put your Instagram after. Don't just be like, my Instagram. Yeah, I'm gonna win. No, motherfucker. Actually, like, do something else besides put your Instagram. Like, be like, yo, what's up, Wes? Instagram. Yo, W video, Instagram. You feel me? At the end. Step 2. Without step 2. Nice. That's really it, man. As long as you subscribe, I'll check and make sure you subscribe. And then if you win, I'm gonna pick a random person from YouTube. I'm gonna go to your Instagram. I'm gonna DM you. I'm gonna be like, boom. I'm gonna send you the code. Light work. Get naked. And then you got a free $25. Boom. So yeah. So that's really it, man. So I'm not gonna end yet. I found this place on Yelp. I was hungry. My fat ass looking for some food, and I found this place. I don't know if y'all can see. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. It's called Cajun Fish Grill. I ain't gonna lie. This mug look busters. They got like fish and shrimp and stuff. Like, look at that. I don't know if I can see that good, but like, yo, this mug look hella good. So we might go stop there today in this video, and I'm gonna do like a little mukbang review. I'm gonna let y'all boys know that shit W or L if he's trying over his ass. You feel me? So I'm gonna drive there right now, and then we're gonna get there and we're gonna get some good eats. Make sure y'all subscribe. Love y'all boys. Shit. Alright, boys, we just got to the spot. I ain't gonna lie, I'm excited, yo. Look, ain't nobody. It look kind of dead here, though. I don't see nobody in this bit. This bit look a little sus. It's like it's empty as hell. How you doing, man? Shit, let me see. Got the meat right here, yo. Hold on. I already know what I'm getting done. I think I'm gonna get the 2-piece, and then the jambalaya. I know shrimp. Can I do a 2-piece catfish fried? And then can I do the cup shrimp gumbo? And then what kind of salt? Do you guys have fruit punch here or?
No, man. We just basically lemonade, strawberry lemonade, and cotton soda.
And then can I do a lemonade cup?
Of course.
And then that would be it.
Yeah, of course. On your catfish, should I get fried spicy or regular?
I'll do regular.
Of course. French fries okay for the side?
Yes, sir.
You got it? You want that for here?
To go.
You got it. Perfect. So it'll be 27 and my friend.
All right.
Appreciate you.
Hit y'all boys when we get the good eats. Boys, we just ordered, waiting for the good eats. I got a mixed lemonade. What is it? I think it's like regular and like raspberry or strawberry. Oh yeah. This shit gas. It's fire. Refreshing as hell. I ain't gonna lie. That joint refreshing. Alright, well, I'm excited, but I'm hungry. I ain't ate nothing all day, so we're gonna see if this get me right, you feel me? They got some, they got like some good old art up here and everything. Okay. Oh, this is a cool vibe up in here. I fuck with this. I'm surprised there ain't nobody up in here. I'm the only one in here. I ain't gonna lie. But sure, I'm excited, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we get the food. Yo. Alright, boys, we just got the motherfucking on the head. No, I said goodie. I'm gonna go home. We're gonna unbox this bed. I'm gonna eat this bed on camp for y'all niggas. Little mukbang. Get naked. Let's go. I'm excited as fuck. I'm hungry. And that motherfucking hippo on the stick on Thursday.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright, boys, we just got back to the crib. Let's do a quick unboxing. Hold on. Let me cook. Ooh. Oh, nah. Hold on. One more. Crispy. Seasoned. Delectable. Let's try the fish now. Time for the fish. Hold on. Let's see. Look at that. Crispy. It's already falling off that mug. It's still hot. Oh my God. Oh my good heavens. This is not even no sauce, nothing. This is a regular, plain. Oh my God. Next, we got, I don't need our napkins, GGs, hold on. Please be napkin. Uh-oh. Oh, there's napkins in here. Man, frick, I'm a real man. I don't need no napkins. They gave us crackers, bro. Oh my God, I can see it. Oh my God, they gave me like, oh wait. Man, I'm humble. Hold on. Boom. Oh my God. Boom. Y'all ready? Oh shoot. Jesus. Oh my God. Hold on, I gotta get the utensils. Hold on. Chill. Utensils. Hold on. Boom. One more. We gotta do one more. One more. That thing dripping. Oh my God, dude. No, y'all gotta come by over here. Wait, is there rice already in here? No, there's not. Plain, regular. Let's go. Just dripping. I'm finna get naked. I gotta get naked. I gotta get naked. Gotta wash it down with lemonade. I ain't gonna lie. Everything combined, this is all like, this is a good 9 out of 10. 9.5. 9.8, bro. I ain't gonna lie. This is beautiful. This is immaculate, bro. Like, oh my God, bro. Sorry. I've been driving for almost 20 minutes. I wait till I got home to eat. 20 minutes driving. I get home. It's still hot. How? Everything still hot. Still busting. Bro, this 5 stars. Oh my God, bro. Hey man, shout out to Fish City Grill, I think it's called. Cajun City Grill, something like that. Y'all go show some love, bro. Hey man, this was fire. Hope you enjoyed this little vlog / mukbang, bro. If y'all did, you already know what to do. We got the giveaway going on live right now. Boom. Come on now. No. Giveaway is live. You already know what you gotta do. Subscribe, comment something, and put your IG next to it. You'll be entered in the giveaway. That's all you gotta do. 2-step. Sub and comment the IG. You'll be entered. I will DM you for the winner. It'll probably be ending like around the end of next week. Love y'all boys, man. Subscribe. Catch y'all next one. Let's go.